glimpse of hope. Couple hands in earthy slope. Water droplets night and day. Cucumber love in a gentle way.
Sunlight's kiss upon each leaf, their hearts entwined beyond belief. Growing dreams in vibrant green, together in this serene scene.
Grow, 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 they whisper low. Cucumber, cucumber, watch it grow. Water, water, water slow. In our garden, love will show. Shakuhachi sings the breeze. Shamisen plucks nature's tease.
Koto strings in harmony, echoes of this love so free.
From the seed to harvest gold, a story lovingly retold. Container garden, small but grand. Side by side they understand. Grow, 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 they whisper low. Cucumber, cucumber, watch it grow. Water, water, water slow. In our garden, love will show. Under sun, they plant in rows. A love so green, it blooms and grows. From container, tender care, and soil and water, they both share. Grow, grow, grow. Our cucumbers in line, water, 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 water. Your hands in mine. Harvest, harvest, harvest. Our love's good time. Cucumber dreams in summer shine. Tiny seeds in fertile earth, sprout with love and give new birth. Hands entwined, they work away, nurturing vines, come what may. Grow, grow, grow. Our cucumbers, dear water, 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 water in here. Harvest, harvest, love so near. In that pot, those seeds we sow, whispering tales untold. Sunrise nudges, hope bestow, watching green tendrils unfold. Grow, grow, grow.
Oh, cucumber vine,
Watering, waiting,
our loving line.
first harvest sweet and fine. Second, third, our hearts entwine. Morning mist kisses leaves so bright underneath the pale moonlight. Hands together, guiding right, nurtured by candles' gentle light. Grow, grow, grow.
Oh, cucumber vine,
Watering, waiting,
our loving line.
first harvest sweet and fine. Second, third, our hearts entwine. Patience holds in containers small, a love tended come what may. Green whispers echo across the hall in the heat of summer's fray.
Vines whisper tales of growth, and tiny seeds the journey's bold.
Our fingers brush unspoken oath, hands and hearts betwixt we both. Grow, grow, grow.
In the garden where dreams are sown, seeds of love and cucumbers grown. Water from the sky does bless, hands of family no less. Morning sun brings hope anew, leaves unfold in shades of dew. Patience in this tranquil dance, growing green with every glance. Grow, 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 cucumber. In the soil we'll find wonder. Water, water, keep it flowing. Family love forever growing. Children laughter fills the air, smell of earth beyond compare. Little hands with gentle touch, nourishing with love so much. Children laughter fills the air, smell of earth beyond compare. Little hands with gentle touch, nourishing with love so much. Seasons change but we remain, tending to our green domain. From the seed to harvest time, family hearts in perfect rhyme. Grow, 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 cucumber. In the soil we'll find wonder.